Right, so we're back down Rich's garage. This is a quick update and a bit of an unexpected one, to be honest, because there was a breakdown in communication that meant I had to come down here tonight to prep the car for undersealing, which meant I had to degrease all the underside, get all the old oil off it, get all the crud from up underneath the car, so that it can be prepped ready tomorrow. It's going to be rust primed tomorrow and then completely and utterly undersealed, which absolutely makes sense given the state of the car as it is, with all the back end off and the underside of the car apart. So yeah, missed the boat on that conversation. I blame Greg, but never mind. But yeah, it was actually in the end quite a rewarding job. It's really quite therapeutic to do. Actually, it didn't take long, 2.5 hours to do, but the results are great. I'll flip the camera around in a minute and I'll show you the results. But yeah, I really enjoyed it. Rich was here the whole time anyway, sort of supervising, and which is good, because when I thought I'd finished, he could come and check it over, and yeah, he gave me the thumbs up. So he's happy, I'm happy, and I can't wait to see the car when it's done. But I'll flip it around so you can have a look at and see what it looks like before all the underseal goes on. All right, grab the old torch for us a minute. Okay, so yeah, here's the start. So all the underside of the back end, from I guess where the fuel tank sits, not the fuel tank sits, sorry, God, from where the rear axle sits, as you can see, all the way up to the front transmission tunnel, all that had to be degreased, all the old oil had to come off. Some of it was a nightmare, but we got there in the end, and I think it looks really good. It's nice to see it like this. Like I said a minute ago, it does. I don't think there's many cars, especially at this age, that you'll see the underside looking like that. So quite chuffed with myself. And that's today's progress work from the welder. So he's seamed in all the rear subframe reinforcement kit there. But yeah, all nice and clean, much as we can do. And then Rich will tackle the rest, all these rust spots with the grinder tomorrow before he rust primes it. And then finally it's going to be undersealed. So that's nice. I think it's going to look wicked as well. And I think the contrast with that gold axle carrier is going to look mint. And this is the product that he's using. So he said it's not a horrible thick underseal. It's Tetra Schutz, whatever that is, made by Tetracell. Comes Rich recommended. So yeah, looking forward to seeing what that looks like. And yeah, the next progress video will be, well, I'm hoping the next time that we do a progress video, it'll have all the bushes in and it'll be back on the floor, but you never know. You never know with us, I guess. So yeah, I guess we'll leave it there, and we'll catch you in the next one.